Alright, 6.3, we're going to be going over rational numbers and decimals. Okay, so this first one says a number that can be represented as a quotient of integers with denominator not zero is a blank. So it kind of would lend itself that the section is called rational numbers. However, this first question has textbook help, so I do want to go ahead and show you that this is basically the actual definition. I think I'm one page too far in. Alright, yes, so 6.3. Rational number here is a quotient of two integers with denominator not zero. So that first question is literally the definition of what it means to be a rational number. Okay, so basically a fraction is what they're hinting at. Alright, so now we want to choose expressions that are equivalent to 7 divided by 9. Okay, so there is a special little trick to remember. Any number divided by 9 is going to be a repeating decimal. So if I did 1 divided by 9, that is just 0.111 repeating. Okay, dot dot dot. This means it continues. Same thing if I did let's just say 5 divided by 9. Okay, and then that would just be 0.5 repeating. Okay, however many 9s you have on your denominator, that's how many digits will repeat on the top. So for example, if I had 5 divided by 99, I would be repeating 2 digits. So since there's not another digit on top, it would be a 0 in front. And I'm going to check all these with the calculator just to verify or just to show you, but this would be 0.5 repeating 0.5 0.5. Likewise, if I just had a 2-digit number, let's say 12 divided by 99, okay, then I would get 0.12 repeating. Okay, so a dot 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 means it continues. It's kind of hard to see that dot dot dot, or a vertical bar over that, the number that's going to be repeating. Okay, you don't need both. So it has to be in a proper fraction form, meaning the top has to be smaller than the bottom, and then if there's a 9 on the bottom, or you can write it as a 9 on the bottom, it's going to be a repeating decimal. So I just want to show you that real quick. Let me pull up this basic calculator, and I'm just going to show you 1 divided by 9. See, 0.1 repeating. Okay, I'm going to clear that out. 5 divided by 9, just 5 repeating. They round the last one up, but it's just repeating 5. So I'm going to clear this out again. What if I did 5 divided by 99? Okay, you get 0.5 repeating. So it's the same thing. So anytime you have a 9 on the bottom, it's going to be repeating. So 7 divided by 9 would be this, which means repeating 7. That's the indication here. This has it flipped. That's not the same. Just 0.7 is not the same. It needs to be repeating. So 0.777, kind of like the dot dot dot, that will be the same. This is not. And 70 divided by 90 would be the same, because those zeros will reduce and just give you 7 over 9. So all of the expressions that are the same would be A, E, and F. Kind of hard to get them all on the screen, but A, E, and F. And then number 3, we want to write this in lowest terms. So when you write a number in lowest terms, okay, you just want to look at the numerator and the denominator, and you find the biggest number that will divide both of them, or at least anything that will, and you can continue to do division in multiple steps. So here, both these numbers are divisible by 6, and you have to do the same number on top and bottom. That will give us 6. On the bottom we get 7. So 6 over 7 is this number in lowest terms.